National Weather Service in Lincoln has issued a tornado warning for northern Logan County, southeastern Tazewell County, southwestern McLean County, east central Mason County, until 9 p.m. At 8:20 p.m., a confirmed tornado was located near San Jose, or near Mason City, moving east at 60 miles per hour. Expected hazards included a damaging tornado. A tornado has been confirmed by trained spotters. The following impacts are expected. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. The tornado will be near Delavan, San Jose, and Emden around 8:25 p.m. Armington around 8:35 p.m. Minear around 8:40 p.m. Other locations in the path of this tornadic thunderstorm include Stanford. This includes the following highways: Interstate 155 between mile markers 6 and 17. Interstate 55 between mile markers 141 and 151.